In this video, I will show you how to share direction in Google Map. Let me show you how. Open up your Google Map. Let's say, for instance, you want to share direction for someone from a particular location using Google Map. All you have to do is to go ahead and simply click on search here. Like for instance, I want to share direction for someone in Osun State. And then I want to share a direction for someone in this particular area. So go ahead and click on the particular location that you want to share direction, just like so. Now you want to share direction to this particular location to someone in this particular state. All you have to do is to simply click on this share icon right here. And here you go. You have the shareable link right here. So you can easily share the location to someone on WhatsApp or Instagram, Facebook, Messenger, through Gmail, as the case may be. You can slide this way and see other places by which you can share direction to someone in Google Map. Or better still, click on here to copy the link and send the link to them. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use Google Map, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.